he's never forgotten where he came from.
Hello, my name is Michael Caine. Not many people know that.
Celebrate the man and the movies. Saturday at 9, followed by Harry Brown at 10:30 on Channel 5.
This is Channel 5. An emergency broadcast is coming up. The virus is worse than we thought. There is now 250,000 cases of the virus in just a couple of days. That's 64,000 cases per day, and we have a name for this virus. It's called TROLD-33. No stay back, you busted. No stay back, you busted. No stay back, you busted. No stay back, you busted.
Trust a Trader, sponsoring ITV2 Daytime.
TrustATrader.com.
Welcome to Channel Vale. Small town with small town issues.
We've got stag and bits up here.
Crying.
My daughter's missing. Someone's taken her.
It's a bit weird, isn't it? The day your husband gets out of prison.
Katie! What?
Missing kids, dead stags.
There's a connection.
Where did you go, Katie Wells?
Passenger. Stream the full series on ITVX.
My name is Matthew Nolan. I am being extradited for a crime that I did not commit.
We now have confirmation of deaths on flight 357.
What am I in the middle of?
If it is murder, the killer is still on board.
Red Eye continues Sunday at 9 on ITV1 and ITVX.
The ultimate game of chase begins.
Gold can't fit anywhere around here.
If you're winning, you're spending.
We've got some money to spend, bro.
But watch out for the chasers.
Need to make sure we do not get caught.
The challenge is set.
That is a lot of money.
The teams are ready.
Chasers has been a spend.
10 grand on a helicopter.
Don't
We're onto them, you know.
get
Oh my God, they're right next to us.
caught. Loaded in Paradise. Stream the full series now on ITVX.